Hello students, today we'll discuss about indicators that is in the chapter of acid, base and salts in the 10th class of chemistry. Let us start. Okay. First of all, as the name suggests, what are indicators? Indicator means which gives us indication about substance that is like harmful or useful for us. Means we use these terms in acids and bases about how they are dangerous, how it is acid or how it is base. Okay. So definition of indicators is the substance which tells us about any substance is acidic or basic, that is called indicator. Okay. First of all, we start this topic. How we identify acids or bases? By testing. It is not easy task, very dangerous, can burn. By their formula, it is so easy task. Means having single exposed H atom. That is by indicate that is the most and very easy task. But how we check? मीन्स इंडिकेट्स आर सब्सटेंस विच टेल्स अस एनी सब्सटेंस एसिड मीन्स कोई सब्सटेंस जो गिवन आपको एसिड है या बेस है. ओके. बट कैसे पता लगेगा हमें? इंडिकेट्स का कलर चेंज होता है खुद का व्हेन दे कॉन्टैक्ट विद एसिड और बेस. ओके. इंडिकेटर्स आर बेसिकली कलर्ड ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस. अब इंडिकेट है क्या, मतलब कि ये कलर्ड बेस ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस और डाइज है. ओके. डाइज की मैं आपको डेफिनेशन बता दूं कि डाइज आर द सब्सटेंस विच गिव्स कलर टू फैब्रिक्स. मीन्स परमानेंट होता है फैब्रिक्स कलर, जो फैब्रिक को कलर मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डाइज. ओके. एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड इन लेबोरेटरी. नाउ फर्स्ट इंडिकेटर इन केमिस्ट्री दैट इज लिटमस. लिटमस डाई दैट इज पर्पल डाई extracted from lichen is one type of plant and its category to Thallophyta. Okay. Purple dye extracted from lichen plant belonging to a variety of Thallophyta. Means ये plant आपका इससे लिटमस बनता आपका. ओके. Next, acid changes blue litmus into red and basic changes red litmus into blue. याद करने तरीका के A B जैसे अल्फ़ाबेटिक लगे A B R मीन acid A first B then R. Acid blue litmus into red and base changes red litmus into blue. Now first indicator of phenolphthalein. We have to learn only just these colors of indicators. Now phenolphthalein, it is a organic dye. Also it is synthetic indicators. Now phenolphthalein colorless in acidic medium or neutral solutions and pink in basic. Means जो phenolphthalein है आपका कलरलेस होगा एसिडिक और न्यूट्रल में, बट पिंक इन बेसिक सॉल्यूशंस. नाउ मिथाइल ऑरेंज, इट्स कलर इज ऑरेंज विदाउट मीन्स जो इसका स्टार्टिंग कलर ऑरेंज है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए सिंथेटिक इंडिकेटर. अब इसका क्या होगा, जो न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन है उसमें क्या होगा, इसका ऑरेंज कलर होगा और एसिडिक मीडियम में इसका रेड होगा और बेसिक में येलो होगा आपका. ओके. किसका? मिथाइल ऑरेंज का. नाउ हेयर वी मेक ए टेबल फॉर इजी लर्निंग. इन हेयर वी राइट इंडिकेटर्स. दीज आर न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन, एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन, दीज आर बेसिक सॉल्यूशंस. दैट इज कलर. फर्स्ट आई गिव सम हिंट. मीन्स एज लिटमस means it's purple in neutral solution, red in acidic solution and blue in basic solutions. Okay. Now some other indicators. Besides these three indicators, some more naturally indicators are there. First, these are all naturally we discuss. First, red cabbage juice extracted from red cabbage. Okay. That is acidic medium में red होगा इनको और basic medium में green होगा. Okay. That I write here. Now turmeric juice, जो हल्दी यूज़ करते हैं. Turmeric juice. Turmeric haldi is a yellow dye we know. Now it is yellow in acidic or neutral. A reddish brown in basic medium. When we wash with soap in a cloth containing turmeric, then it becomes reddish brown. Now olfactory terms related to sense of smell. Smell से related आपकी ये. Examples are onion, vanilla, and clove oil. Here, clove oil. Smell of vanilla gets suppressed in basic medium. Smell do not suppress in basic medium. Okay. Here acidic medium. Okay. Now properties of acids. Acids have general salt test, release H positive ions in water. Acid turns red litmus blue litmus red, sorry, and phenolphthalein colorless, red color with methyl orange, action with metals. Okay. Now action metals, acids. When metal react with dilute acids, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen, means that is metal. That is acid, dilute acid, it gives metal, means zinc is metal and sulfate is salt. Metal salt plus hydrogen. Also magnesium plus HCl, that gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Iron plus sulfuric acid, that gives iron sulfate plus hydrogen. Now here one point noted, metal displaces hydrogen from dilute acid, means this replaces hydrogen atom from dilute acid. Okay, next. Action metal oxides. First of all, I write a question here. Metal oxide plus acid, that is, first of all tell me in which reaction we get salt and water. In which reaction we get salt and water? That is neutralizations. In that one react acid and what is other is basic, so metal oxide is basic in nature. Here you must note it. Now here metal oxide, hydrochloric acid, that gives calcium chloride plus water. Magnesium oxide plus sulfuric acid, that gives magnesium sulfate plus water. Calcium oxide plus nitric acid, that gives calcium nitrate plus hydro water. Now action with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. These properties are metal oxide plus acid. Okay, that is metal carbonate, sodium carbonate. Okay, plus HCl, that gives sodium chloride plus water plus CO2. In all these reactions, these are common, water and CO2. Okay. Now strong and weak acid. First of all, what is the meaning of strong in general? If we discuss, strong means which have some more. Now here we discuss strong acids. First of all, acid gives H positive, means the substance which gives, or acid which gives more H positive ions. That is called strong acid. Here as more H positive ions when dissolved in water, और large extent of H positive ion, means acid है तो आपका H positive ion ही देगा वो आपको. Here weak acids are, mean these are strong acids, HCl and H2SO4, and weak acids, okay, carbonic acid, formic acid, and acetic acid. Okay, that gives reaction with water. Now basicity of acids. Here बेसिसिटी ऑफ एसिड, नंबर ऑफ, देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो एसिड हमें क्या देता है, H पॉजिटिव आयन से. ना बेसिसिटी ऑफ एसिड मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन एन एसिड, मतलब कि एक एसिड में कितने हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस होंगे जब अपन उसको वाटर में डिजोल्व करेगा तो. ओके. Now acids can be classified as monobasic, dibasic and tribasic. Depends upon the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms present. Okay. First of all, HCl, that is monobasic because it replaces one hydrogen atom. Okay. That gives sodium chloride plus water. Here monobasic it is also dibasic, and it is dibasic. The reactions you learn properly. Okay. Okay, so next video related to this chapter, properties of here we discuss only acids. Next topic that will discuss properties of bases. Okay, for that video stay connected with us our channel. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.